Okay, this is going to be a little video to show you how to activate your iPhone for those of you installing iOS Beta 5. Now, I'll go ahead and get in here and show you that I have iOS 5 running. As you can see, the iTunes Sync, which is where the wireless sync is going to be. About right there, as you can see, I'm running iOS 5.0. And those little, for those who don't know, those little numbers afterwards, that means Beta 2. If you are wondering what's the difference, the Beta 1, they seem to have neglected the iTunes syncing capabilities, which didn't work. So I went ahead and installed 5.0 Beta 2. Now, if we go back, I can show you that it is jailbroken on Beta 2. If you notice, there's my Cydia app. And this app right here called iFile is what you're going to be needing to jailbreak, or unlock the phone with, since it's a lot easier than pulling the chunk of code off and put it on your computer and modifying it, since PC users don't really have too much option to view some of the stuff that's on the iPhone. But anyway, we'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and restore the phone from stock settings when I just installed the iOS, so that way I can show you that my phone is not activated, and I will walk you through step by step, and then in the end you will find that my phone is activated with iOS Beta 2. So I will be back in a few minutes, and we will show you that once again. Like I said, I'll go through the whole process of restoring a jailbreak again. Okay guys, we're back, and let me get my camera to focus in here. Alright, as you can see, I fully restored iOS 5 Beta 2. Just to show you that it's fully not activated right now, and we're going to go ahead and get past it. What we're going to do is go ahead and start your phone up. It's going to ask you, the new OS is a little different. It's going to ask you to set your phone up, and we're going to go ahead and just keep clicking next, because it's all United States, blah blah blah. Anyway, it's going to ask you to find the first Wi-Fi network that pops up, which is if you have Wi-Fi in your house. We're going to go ahead and type that in. I'm going to go ahead and turn the phone away so you can see my password, because I have a remote access on my router left on, so I don't want none of you guys getting in. Anyway, let's get that ready to log in my Wi-Fi. Let's see, alright, we're going to click next. And here's where it's going to try to activate your phone. You're going to get this error, of course. Now, to get out of this, we want to get to your Springboard, because I've already jailbroken the OS. It's not a video on how to jailbreak. I'm not doing that. I might make a video upon request. Just to give you a heads up, the newest Red Snow jailbreaks both beta versions. They both do it the same way. And it uses a line-brain exploit, so I'm sure you can Google it and figure that out. This is just to show you how to activate your UI ID number. Now, I am enrolled in the Apple Development Program. I have rights to use these beta programs, but for those of you not that want to experiment with the betas, this is going to show you how to do it. So for copyright reasons, I'm not really using any infringements. I have legal rights. My UID number is registered with my developer account. But for those of you not, let's go ahead and get started. First, I want you to hit the triple click home button until you get the voiceover to pop up. There it goes. And then you want to hit it you want to hit 3 more times till you get emergency call pop up. What you want to do is you want to hit emergency call. Then you want to dial 112 and let you know it is 911. It's just another version, so you need to hurry up, call it. What I want you to do is hit the home button, tap return to call, hit the home button again. You're in your Springboard. Go to your phone app and hurry up and hang up. Otherwise, like I did last night, 911 is going to be calling you back a couple times, reporting a hang up. But anyway, now you're in your Springboard. What I want you to do, I'm sorry, I must reboot. I need to do a tethered reboot for some reason, because my jailbreak did not come up. I will be right back. Let me go ahead and reboot this, because the new jailbreak for the iOS 5, you have to have a tethered reboot, so I'll be right back. Alright, we are back, and I went ahead and did my tethered reboot. And we're going to click next. It's guys for activation, of course, it's going to fail again. Once you go ahead and do the voiceover thing I showed you before, you're going to get a voiceover pop up. You want to push it again until we get the emergency call thing to pop up. Which, hold on, I'm having a little difficulty. Oh, here we go, emergency call. Now we're going to do this again, and I want you to dial 112. We're going to call. Hurry up, get to your push home button, touch return to call, hit the home button again, go to your phone app, and hang up. Simple as that. Like I said, you want to hurry up and do it though, because 911 will be giving you a call back. Now that we're on my Springboard, you want to scroll over, and we got Cydia. Wait for it to load up. Pick your settings. Obviously, if you're a developer, pick developer, hacker, normal user. What I want you to go ahead and go do, all this is going to be done on the phone. We don't need to pull anything off the phone, put on the computer, and modify it. What I want you to do is I want you to click over to Manage. We're going to go over to Sources. And what I want you to do is Edit, and I want you to Add. And the repository I want you to add is going to be sinfuliPhoneRepository.com. Or Sinful iPhone Repo, sorry. And type that in here, .com. We're going to add that source, because there's a Cydia app I want you guys to get that's going to be able to do this on the phone. And what that app is called is iFile. And hold on for a second, we're going to get this to load up here. Alright, return to Cydia. Now we're going to click on the iPhone Repo app, and what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to the I's, because it's under iFile. So, let's see here. Oh, I think I went too far, so I'm going back. I want you to get, sorry, iFile cracked right there. I don't condone getting pirated stuff, but you know, free is always better than paying, and for this tutorial I'm not paying for anything to show you guys stuff, because that just would be pointless. So I want you to go ahead and confirm install iFile. We're going to do this. Now this is going to, after we do this and modify these plist files inside the iPhone, it is going to require another reboot. And for you, those of you who did your research and you got this far to where you jailbroke iOS 5, you do know it's a tether reboot, which means every time you restart your device, you must plug it into the computer and reboot it with Redsn. Your phone dies, you must reboot it with Redsn, etc. You will be able to boot into your phone and be able to use it, you just won't be able to use any of your jailbroken apps. So we're going to go back to the home screen and see iFile pops up right there. I want you to open that and get a better look at here. I want you to go push this bar button all the way back till it goes all the way back to there. And what you want to do is you want to click System, Library, and you want to scroll down. You want to find Core Services right here. Click on Core Services. And you scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says System Version plist right there. Plist, whatever you guys want to call it. Open up Text Viewer, and what I want you to do is see after string 5.0 right there. Okay, the key and the string things, you need to delete those two. Not these bottom two, you want to leave those. Just delete these two in between string and dict. And we're going to do that. We're going to click, all the way at the top, we're going to click Edit up here. And what we're going to do is we're going to navigate the cursor over to there. See, alright, and we want to delete those two lines. What this is doing is, this is a service inside the phone that's automatically making it update to Apple to verify your UDID. And obviously we don't want that, so we can activate your phone. Once you delete those, as you can see, let me get the keyboard right here. As you can see, I deleted those two lines in between those. Okay, we want to click Save. Done. And we can go ahead and exit out to the Springboard. Now for this to work, I told you we're going to have to reboot, so what we're doing is we're going to go ahead and plug my iPhone in here, and we're going to power it off, like so, and we're going to open up Redsn. Alright, and let me get that here. Let me get this here. And I'm not going to shut the phone off, or shut the camera off this time. I'm going to let you guys just watch it boot up, and I'm going to show you that it's going to activate. So, anyway, well, let me get this. Sorry, let me put my phone in DFU mode here. And make sure when you reboot, you don't need to uncheck install Cydia. Just click just boot tethered now. Every time you reboot, that's all you got to do. Alright, click next. Alright. Sorry guys, I'm going to put my phone in DFE modes here, so I'm kind of blocking the camera. And it should start here. It's exploiting real quick with Lime Rain. Now if you do this right, what should be booting up is you should see the little pawnage, or whatever you want to call it, the pineapple that they use. Like so I'm using Redstone, I'm not using pawnage or any snooberries or anything. So I assume they're all kind of the same exploits, possibly written by the same people. Let's wait for this to boot up here. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. While I wait for this boot up, you guys see my nice little setup I got going here. I got, a brand new high-def monitor that I just got for free for trade for some work here. But anyway, phone's booting out. Like I said, you guys can boot up without rebooting tethered. It makes no difference. The only thing is, so here's the activations. Here's gonna go. Ah, voila. See, it went ahead and skipped all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do restore from iCloud, since I already set my iCloud up last time, and you guys obviously was set up as a new stuff. And, I'm a block here because I got to type in my Apple ID. New iPhone setup is obviously what you guys would want to go to. Alright, let's see if this works. This is, like I said, it's a little buggy. Yeah, like I said, they're still using MobileMe. They were supposed to do away with the MobileMe. Now that they got the iCloud, they're no longer taking subscriptions. Supposedly, I heard they're going to be done with it in mid-2012, I believe. Okay, so I guess let's try a restore from iTunes. Maybe that'll work. I haven't tried none of this yet. Like I said, I've always set up this new iPhone and just started over. Let's see, connect to iTunes. Should be opening up here. Yeah, like I said, basically that's all there is to it. If you guys have any questions, please post them. I will try to respond promptly. Please no jerk off comments. This is mainly for people who don't know how to do it. For those of you that have developer accounts and know how to do this, please, there's no smart ass comments. They're just, there's no need for it. Thank you. I guess I will respond promptly and ask for more videos if you need them.